Hello and welcome. I'm the Awful Chef and I'm about to burn my butter. Pardon me. I want to eat, so I better cook something. So, work soup. Oh my goodness. My buddy at work is having surgery, so I got to do a lot more working at work. So what am I making? Egg drop soup. Ish. So, got some butter in there that I've browned. If you've seen my show, Eggs All Wrong, you know what that means. That means I have a very rich source of flavor in there, to which I'm adding 2 cloves of garlic. There we go. Oh my heavens, that's a smell. Let's throw in a little olive oil just to keep that from burning. So, we are continuing my fascination with food from Chinese restaurants. Yes, I like egg flour soup, especially on a cold night by a fireplace after my work. And I have to use up a bunch of leftovers, including the last of my bag of frozen peas. So, the garlic, of course, is creating a bit of a fond. Oh, there's a smell in here that is just garlic cooking in butter over a little bit too much heat. It's magnificent. So, let's add some... Actually, I'm about to screw it up. Let's add some ginger. Again from a tube because I'm just in a hurry. Yes, that is wet ginger and hot oil. It's a little too hot. Oh, attack of the food. That is a danger when using ginger from a tube. Let's throw in a little soy sauce on that. Okay. Oh, that's starting to smell wonderful. Okay. As stated, I have a bunch of leftovers that'll be perfect for this. I have the leftover half can of carrots, which I was experimenting with the other day. So there go a lot of carrots. I have a leftover half can of corn, which I was working with the other day. I have just enough leftover frozen peas. All of which are keeping that soy sauce from burning. Oh, we're getting a very, very rich vegetable smell, vegetable and soy smell. And as you can hear, the pan has grown silent because of the cold vegetables. Okay, to continue the process, I have a leftover half can of chicken. And I am adding the juice from that. I want all the chicken flavor. I'm actually going to turn that up a bit. Okay. So, what do we got? Garlic in butter, ginger from a tube, soy sauce, about a third of a can of carrots, a third of a can of corn, and half a can of canned chicken, and a handful of frozen peas. Yeah, it can be that easy. So in goes the stock, the chicken stock. I will not be joining you today. I am making extra soup because I have extra work to do this week. Ordinarily, I don't like my soup that thin. And cooking for two, I rarely make this quantity of food at once. Okay. Oh, that is very nice. So we have options at this point. I can add more soy sauce if that's to my taste. Or I can introduce you to my favorite soup ingredient, instant miso soup. Hi, I'm Vanna White. Instant miso soup. Just give it a squirt of this and you'll have a lot more flavor than you expect. Also, a lot of salt. So be careful with that ingredient. Okay. So, turning up the heat, we will see if I can bring this soup to a boil on a timely basis. And if not, I will simply tell you all about it. But very simply, you bring the soup to a boil, and then you throw in 2 beaten eggs, or 1, depending upon your mood and how much soup you've made and how many people you're feeding. I guess I should try to bring this over to you and see if we can give you a view of soup. Yeah, see? Soup in a pot. There we go, we're getting some. Yeah, I know. I need to buy some better equipment. But it's truly very simple to make a decent egg drop soup. Okay. It is now starting to boil. There is one subtle thing about this. You want the soup boiling because you want the egg to cook the moment it hits the broth. What that does is it gives you a unique texture, the ribbons of egg, as opposed to simply an egg thickened broth. Okay, and I see that we can see the steam rising from the stock. So, eggs. Just add a little bit at a time, unlike what I just did. And let them cook undisturbed as possible. And then try to move them out of the way. And there we are. My work soup for the week. Egg flour soup. With a little bit of chicken in for good luck. That's it. Thank you. I hope you enjoy this food. I'm having fun too, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.